Breaking news, an apple has just been spotted floating in water.
What happened, Tuba?
Don't you see the apple?
Yes, what's wrong with that?
Apple can swim now and some sings. Is that a fruit war?
No, you're having a wrong concept. It's all about science, and this happens because of something called density.
Can you please explain in details?
Yes, why not? But don't you think we should share with our audience what we are doing today?
Oh yes.
Respective teachers, dear students, and the well-wishers that are here with us today. I'm Fatema.
And I'm Tuba, and we're doing a
Fun experiment called float
or sing. Okay, let's do this.
No, you have to understand Archimedes Principle before we do the experiment.
What is Archimedes Principle?
Archimedes discovered that if something is placed on water, it either floats or sinks based on its density.
Oh, that's very interesting.
What do you think, Tuba? Will this banana float or sink?
I think float.
Let's see.
It sinks.
Now, let's try something fun.
I'll put a whole orange into the water. It floats. What if I peel it? It sinks. Why does it sink, Fatema?
It happens because the orange peel has tiny air pockets in it. So it becomes less dense than water. So it floats. But when we peel it, it becomes much heavier compared to its size. So it sinks. This is called buoyancy.
Oh, that's very fascinating.
Now, even if we forget our own names, we will never forget the concept of density and buoyancy ever again in life, inshallah.